guys, and welcome back to Daily Jewels. Today we are going to feed the birds. If you guys have been here for a while, you saw my vlog, Seagull attack, which is when we went to feed the birds last time and we got attacked by them. Hopefully this time we don't get attacked. But the audio is going through the beats again, so what are you doing? Me too.
Grab your jacket, Jules.
You're wearing a jacket. Stop throwing bread at me.
You can't throw it on the beach.
Look at my pants are really falling. Okay. It's like cold out here, okay?
As soon as I'm done with taking pictures.
No, we're not taking pictures. Oh my god. There's one, bro.
They're all coming.
Oh my god. How come we always get attacked? Wait, you have to get. Oh god, you have to get it. Look at, they're all coming. You left the bag there. Oh my god, oh my god.
The bag.
That's your fault. Hold this. Hold it so I can zip my jacket.
Oh my goodness, Jules. Jules, we need to go across the street. Jules, I'm scared. I don't like it. Jules, can we please go across the street, please?
Can you film it? Can you not just...
Jules. I'm scared. I need to put my hands in my pockets.
There was freaking one seal and I ran. Seal?
And there was one seagull.
You said seal.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah.
I did not say seal.
Well,
I saw one seagull. I dropped the bag.
I know you did. I ran. But last time it was a lot worse because it was summer and
I
there was
want to see if they like die in that.
there's a whole swarm. Hey, bro. Look at Olivia. Look at how calm he is.
Pick up the bag, sir. Ma'am.
Look at how calm he is walking next to the seagulls and you were freaking out.
Now they're on the bag. But like, how did seagulls from all the way over there find out that there was stuff over here?
Okay, guys,
Can I get Starbucks?
now we're in the car. Ooh. Now we're in the car. I'm going to Starbucks. And then we're on our way to my cousin's house. So I'll see you guys at Starbucks, I guess. But today it is very cold. It's less cold than the day we got here, but it's still cold, obviously. But yeah, I can't wait to go home because my Shane Dawson merch and my new Calvin Klein stuff is at my front door like right now. So it's the 30th. I mean, tomorrow's the 30th.
Let me do my daily.
So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I forgot to update the vlog, but we went to Starbucks, and which I already said, and now we're almost at my uncle's house. So Mom wants to say hi.
It's Mama Ivorone here. Hi, vlog. And hi, Durango.
Yeah. So I'll see you guys when we get there.
Yeah, they just need to incorporate the real smell in their fake trees, and then they would be like, if you water
Okay guys, we've arrived and both of my cousin's dogs are here. Boo, who I haven't seen in a long time. And my cousin's new dog Strider, I'm excited to meet him. He's over there somewhere. But I love dogs. My dog, Diamond, is at home. We left her with Omi because she gets scared of the other dogs. So. But we're here, there's Robert and Livy.
But it was way too big and too jumpy.
And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Boo,
So we went, and we were just considering just getting another type of dog that looked like a beagle, but they were both gigantic. They would have never worked out here.
Right.
Nice dogs, but
what's supposed to happen?
It's supposed to go up. Go up.
Robert, I love you. Give me a hug. Give me a hug and then I'll leave.
Wait, 1 sec.
Don't even, I swear. Give me a hug and then I'll leave.
Okay,
Give me a hug and then I'll leave.
so now we're playing with Nerf guns. And there's pizza on the way. Dinner's on the way. What is going on over
I
here?
will
You
pull
know I
your
have a
hair out.
boyfriend.
Okay, so what are we doing now? We're loading up guns to shoot Olivia.
Yes.
Okay. Look at,
I'm gonna
I'm
practice skills.
Robert, did you know I'm a musician?
Next time you do that, I'm gonna shoot you in the butt. And it hurts.
Robert,
What?
we're in dangerous territory up here.
Oh god! Oh jeez! I need that bag.
I'm gonna go downstairs, play with Strider. This is dangerous.
Run for their life!
Yes.
He's gonna shoot us! Go, 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 go!
What?
Here!
I don't.
The orange guy.
I don't have it. I left it upstairs.
Come on! You gotta go.
How many times am I gonna leave that thing somewhere? She got the mega up there. She's gonna shoot you with that.
Up! I'm going in! Ah! Oh god.
Why won't it shoot? Oh.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Oh jeez!
I'm scared.
My phone now! My phone! Jules, take it! Run with it!
Hey
Run
guys, I
like the
got a
wind!
new iPhone.
Hi. Are you vlogging me?
Yeah.
Hey vlog. It's lit. Oh my god. Do you want me to get this one, Joel?
What?
Oh my goodness. There are some spits in the Don't lie. What? Ew. Ew.
What time is it?
It's lunchtime!
It's dessert time.
It's lunchtime.
Vlog. 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 Vlogs are. I don't know. Chocolate covered marshmallows. Robert, did you help Mom make all this stuff?
Okay, so we literally just walked out of their house.
It's mine.
And now
Funny. Olivia goes, I left my frap in here and it's still a frap. It might be
so
a throw-app.
Jesus.
You're getting in the back
Yeah.
after I turned on your heated seat.
Oh, thank. Okay, now we're leaving.
If we waited 5 more minutes, it would have been perfect.
Jesus. We are going back to Omi's.
Can I have my headphones?
No.
Yay! No, let's do bonding on the
We're having a very
You
Oh my God, no.
I hate them. I'm familiar with the new one. You can send it.
Oh my goodness. You scared.
Where's your phone? Say LOL.
Hi guys, it's Liv. Today we had a great day. New Year's is in 2 days. New Year's Eve, and yes, can we go to Wendy's?
What?
Yeah.
Tell me you're hungry.
Tell me that you're hungry. I'm fat.
I do it.
'Twas the night before Christmas when all through the Tin Tan House not a creature was stirring, not even Jake's mouse. That's it.
If you guys watched the first vlog, you'd get
Wah! Beep! But use this. Ow!
There's never a second in the day that they're not talking about Jake the Logan
How
Paul.
I hit my leg on the seatbelt. Oh, Logan Paul. 22 Christmases, they ain't heard from you at all. Now maybe because I'm not seeing or maybe ow! I hit my leg on the seatbelt. Sneaking down the chimney. Homie, that's a crime. Breaking in and entering. You just crossed the line. Got no milk and cookies here, boy, you ain't ready. Got a 2-ton sled, yeah, we call it the Yeti. And I heard you from the north, but I'm from Ohio. Christmas round the corner, get your merch, link in bio.
That's for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and like this video if you want to see me vlog more regularly. Subscribe to my main channel, not just Jules. Subscribe to this channel, Daily Jules. Follow my other social media, which will be linked down below to keep up to date with me, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.